The setup and operation of a Medview medical weight analyzer is remarkably easy. This USA-made indicator has been engineered to be both intuitive to use while also offering state-of-the-art functionality and options, offering you the best of both worlds. The setup menu features a tiered design, allowing for up-down navigation to quickly update any preference settings you desire to change. Navigation of the menu is done by using the alphanumeric keypad and the following keys. The ID height key becomes the next menu or parameter key and is used when the operator wishes to go forward in the menu tree or onto the next parameter. The gross net key becomes the previous menu or parameter key and is used when the operator wishes to go backward in the menu tree or to a previous parameter. Think of the ID height and gross net keys as side-to-side navigation for selecting desired menus and parameters. The Print Enter key becomes the go-to Save key and is used to select menus and parameters. If the operator is at the parameter level, this will store the currently displayed parameter value and then proceed to the next parameter in that menu list. The Units key becomes the Level Ascend key, and when used at the parameter level, returns you to the menu level. If used at the menu level, it returns the indicator to normal operation for measurement. The numeric keypad is used as expected, with the exception of the 1 and 0 keys having dual functions as yes and no to various parameter prompts. To begin and enter the Medview setup mode for changing non-wane parameters, press and hold the clear key until the setup review screen is displayed. This enables you to select the desired non-wane settings of your preference. This System Review menu, as it's called, contains all of the non-wane functions of the Medview, including the option to change the current language. The Medview's default language is English, but may be also changed to French, Spanish, or German. 4 different languages are available. Other functions that may be altered include backlight intensity, which may be set anywhere in the spectrum from off to maximum. Lowering the intensity of the backlight increases battery life. Keypad beep, which controls whether a key makes a beep sound when pressed and may be toggled on or off. Sleep mode, which is how long the Medview will wait for no activity before going into a power-conserving mode and may be set from 0 to 9 minutes. Auto shutoff is like sleep mode, but instead powers the indicator fully off after a period of time and may also be set from 0 to 9 minutes. Key disable may be used to turn off certain keys of the indicator for simplified operation. 0 disables 0 keys. 1 disables the net gross and tare keys. 2 disables the ID height key only. 3 disables all 3 keys. Enable ID is used to toggle the transaction and ID mode so that the indicator will or will not allow an ID number to be entered prior to a wane. If enabled, the ID storage mode allows up to 99 IDs. Barcode is used to toggle whether the indicator is using an attached barcode scanner or not when entering IDs. Use height is toggled to enable the height function of the indicator, and if kilograms have been selected as the primary or secondary unit, then the next prompt will be height units, where either centimeters or millimeters may be selected. If the unit is set to use pounds, there will not be a height units option, since the Medview can only use inches when weighing in pounds. If the height is not enabled, the display will show the current time where the height would normally be shown. Body mass index is the last parameter and is toggled either on or off. If enabled, the Medview will perform BMI calculations when weighing. If not, then it will perform only basic weight calculations. High resolution mode will change to display weight at a higher resolution. For example, if the Medview is configured for 400 by 0.2 pound, then in high res mode, it would display 400 pound by 0.02 pound. To return to normal operation, simply push the units button repeatedly until the setup screen is exited entirely. To find out more about the MedView and other Detecto medical products, please call us at 1-800-641-2008 or visit us online at www.detecto.com. Detecto is here to serve you for all of your clinical weighing needs.